This week, the stock market straight up rage quit. The S&P 500 took a negative 9.1% nosedive, Nasdaq said, hold my beer, with negative 10%, and the Dow fell negative 7.9% like it tripped over its own shoelaces. Welcome to the worst weekly performance since the COVID crash. Except this time, no lockdowns. Just economic PTSD, tariffs, and traders screaming into their monitors. The CNN Fear and Greed Index? 4 out of 100. That's not fear. That's, I just watched my portfolio turn into a compost pile. The VIX spiked to 45, like it just did a line of Red Bull and read the Fed minutes. Basically, traders are panicking, algos are misfiring, and Jerome Powell is probably hiding under his desk with a do not disturb sign. Donald, let's break global trade. Trump dropped a 34% tariff bomb on China. Then China clapped back with, you guessed it, more tariffs and rare earth export bans. Result? Markets tanked harder than a meme coin rug pull. Microsoft, Adobe, AMD, all hitting new lows like they're competing for most dramatic fall. The metals, oil, and semis, absolutely obliterated. You know it's bad when Freeport-McMoRan drops negative 24% and Micron hits negative 26.8%. WTI dropped 7% to $61.99. Why? And OPEC plus oversupply plus global recession fears plus tariffs equals crash. Even though oil was exempt from tariffs, demand said, nah, I'm good. Goldman Sachs even cut its year-end oil forecast. Again. Lululemon dropped 27% in a month. That's not a healthy pullback. That's a full mental breakdown, trading well below the 30-week EMA, and unless it bounces off the August low, this one's going back to the yoga mat for a long nap. Pass. While equities combusted, Bitcoin held above $84,000. GME spiked 11% after Ryan Cohen bought 500,000 shares like it was a Black Friday sale. There's speculation the BTC is decoupling from risk assets. Or maybe GME and MicroStrategy just went full Deegan again. Either way, grab popcorn. April seasonality is strong historically, but history doesn't account for tariff tantrums. Keep your cash close. Keep your stops tighter. This isn't a dip. It's a structural recalibration. But hey, could be worse. You could be holding WDC.